Hey everyone, in this video I will demonstrate a new method to earn money online, and that's how to make money online by watching advertisement. And this method is absolutely free. It's a great way of earning side income. If that interests you, then watch this video to the end. But before we get started, welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where we demonstrate the most straightforward and strategic approach to earning money online. Please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell turned on so you will always be notified when I upload a new money making method. Thank you. Let's get started.
The name of the website we'll be talking about today is called add-to-clicks.net. On this site, you earn by item survey, by referring others, you pay to promote, completing offers, several contests, tax, bonus, and a whole lot. And you can also make your cash through this payment method: Perfect Money, Payer, Bitcoin, ATM, and through Faucet Pay. It might interest you that it is 100% free with no investment. You can do it on your phone or on your mobile laptop, and it is 100% free. It says earn up to $20 from surveys. You can see surveys, pay to promote, offer wars, contest, and all of that. This is the ways through which you make money. So it has about 191,274 members. It has completed an offer of about 128,881, about 762,791,004 ads has been visualized here, and it has over 39 million cash paid out. You can see these are the money cashed out here. So you can come to this place to see proof of payment. Let's click on the proof of payment for you to see. These are the proof of payment. You can see their username, method of through which they earn, and you can see their flag through which they from the country they are from. So to tell you that it is worldwide, you can make money worldwide, and this is the method through which they earn. This is their payment method, amount they earn, and the total payout. This is it. So this is what you need to do. So to sign up, all you need to do is just click on this place, this three dots. It will take you to this place where you see register. Click on it. All you need to do is to put in your full name, email address. You confirm your email address, birth year, username, password. You confirm your password, birthplace. Click on I am not a robot. Then you register. And all you need to do to make an earning is to enter your dashboard. Let me enter my dashboard. Click on it. Click on I am not a robot, and I press on login. I click on login. This is my dashboard. You can see my dashboard so far. This is my dashboard. You can see. This is it. This is my dashboard. So how to earn money here is this. Just come to this place. You click on this banner adverts. You will always have multiple of them popping up. Okay, these are the banner adverts. If you go down here, you see multiple banner adverts. Just click on any one of them. When you click on any one of them, let me click on this. Let me click on this. All you need to do on this is you will be redirected to another site. They will direct you to another site. So once you're on this site, all you need to do is to just scroll up and down to tell the system algorithm that you are not a robot. A lot of people make the mistake, they just stay on it without even moving to scroll up and down. So once you just scroll up and down, just make sure you stay on this site for 30 seconds. Scroll up, scroll down. You can stay for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then you scroll again and scroll down, just to let the algorithm know that you are not a robot. So before you know it, you definitely get credited. You don't need to register, you don't need to buy anything on the redirected sites they take you to. All what you just need to do is to stay on that site for a period of 30 seconds. Scroll up and down, just move up and down, just to let the system know that you are not a robot. This is how you make money on articlicks.com. You can make money through surveys, competition, and all of that, and you can make money through referring your friends also. Thank you very much. If you find value in this video, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.